always morning. I try to be the early bird catch the worm. I can't sleep in. I just can't do it. Anyhow, we're here at Beltsville State Park. We are on, what is this? Sawmill Trail today. It's got a nice little man-made dam. We're going to check it out. A couple little stone ruins. There's a tiny little old quarry. We're going to try to find that. And there's, from what I understand, a footbridge. Had some rain last week, but let's go see. I bet it's awesome. Well, here's the little sign. Run. Okay, we are here. We have wetlands. Then we have the footbridge, the old pond, the quarry steps. Okay. Footbridge, pond, quarry, and then steps. All right, so before the steps, we're going to hit this. Let's check it out. It's a beautiful... What was that noise? Okay, got some wildlife down here. We've got some squirrels, birds. I heard a woodpecker a few seconds ago. I wonder if we'll be able to pinpoint where he is. Anyhow, it's beautiful. It's maybe 58, 60 degrees. Awesome. You can hear the water in the background there. My mind just went blank. I was going to say something. Oh my gosh. Yes. I took advantage of, I had some PTO built up. And it's kind of overkill right now at the office. Because a couple of the doctors are on vacation. And, you know, you don't need, excuse me, you don't need 4 nurses running 1 provider. So, I took advantage of it. So here we are. Whew. Gorgeous. So, if it's your first time with my channel, thank you for coming. Thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Hope you enjoy this. It really is a great morning. Look at that. We got the water down here. All the dandelions, man. I'm assuming they don't spray this trail. Make some good dandelion greens. God, it's so peaceful. We're not that far from the road. No, we're not that far from the road, but you really can't hear it. Not much noise. Just the sounds of Mother Nature talking to us, which is great. Okay, we just came from that way. Oh, nice little wildflowers. No, I don't know the names of these. If Cliff was here, Wandering Woodsman, he could tell us all the names. Not me. I don't know the names. This is a nice little section. Oh yeah. A nice little canopy here. Okay, let's go. Sound of water is getting stronger. I think we're getting close to that tiny little man-made dam from, it's over 100 years. Oh, right here. Definitely man-made. What do we have here? I don't remember seeing this last time. Look at that. Huh. Why is that there with a little bit of flowers? Like, what's with that? Huh. It's got some weight to it. What does that say? Oh. Having a little trouble reading that. I don't have my eyeballs on. What does that say? You see it? Well, I'm going to leave it here. You stay there for whatever reason you were there. Okay. That's all there is of that. Just that little square spot. Almost like it's a little fence or something. I know there's some more stuff down here. We're going to see that in just a minute. Hey, look at these vines here. Whoa. Curlicues. All the curlicue vines. Oh yeah, we're by the little falls right now. The little dam, the little pond. I thought we were getting close because you could hear the water. I'm going to take some pictures of this for later. Pretty. Very pretty. God, it's such a gorgeous day. Tiny bit humid. That's when my hair is going gookity-goo. But it's all right. It's not bad. Very nice day. Okay. Oh, was that fallen last time I was here? I don't know. Okay, we got nice little walls. I just heard my phone go ding-a-ding. Somebody's trying to ping me. I can't remember if that was down last time I was here. I mean, it wasn't that long ago that I was here. Wow, can't even see the water. I'll have to walk through that. It grew in a bit. Okay, there's some more of the wall. That's pretty far. Maybe 50 feet? Look at that. Okay. Alright, this is what's left of a tiny pond. You tell those plants back there, they're used to water. Ponds, plants. Yeah. Let's go down here. The man-made. Look at the tiny little walls there to keep the water inflow in check. Sweet. Very nice. This must have been awesome 100 years ago. Huh. Tiny little pond where the water used to come over there, come in here. Nice, very nice. Okay, the little man-made dam is down here with a tiny little waterfall. Oh, it's a little high today because we had all that rain last week. A little soggy here, but it's beautiful. Gorgeous. I should have walked over there. What a dope. Gonna wind up getting in mud again. I just got a wet toe. No biggie. We're good. Hey, look at that. Yes, it's high today. A little higher. Oh, God. This is a great place for a picnic here. Look how gorgeous. Just sit here, eat, reflect. Okay, I'm not going to say much now because the water's going to drown me out. Look at that. How nice. That was the man-made dam. Well over 100 years old. Go on over here and see this part. Great. Really nice. Hey, look at that. How nice. I think there was a sawmill right in this area, an old sawmill. I know there's a tiny little abandoned quarry just up there. We're going to try to find it. Alright, I got a couple pictures, sat here for a few minutes. It was just awesome. So beautiful. So let's continue our way. Whew. I guess this gets slippery at times. Alright, this is the path where the water used to go down into that little pond. That's not the path we came down, it's just a slightly different one. But we're going to go up here by the top of the dam just to check it out. Ooh, a little muddy, not too much, but just a little. Alright, we'll go up here. There we are. There you go. That's what's left of the man-made dam. Look how nice. Come along here for just a bit. Go up to the top. It's a nice little cement walkway. I haven't heard the woodpecker again. I heard him when I parked the car, but I haven't heard him since then. So, we'll see. Maybe we'll see him later. Oh, sticker bush, sticker bush. There we are. Ah. Look at that. All those water ponds, water plants, lilies and all that. Just coming on down. Okay, we're going to continue on the trail. Let's go. I don't know about you, but this is just awesome. I could just sit here all day. Beautiful sounds. Quiet. We're getting even closer to the road. We still can't hear the traffic. I love it. Well, there was supposed to be a footbridge somewhere around here, but I'm not seeing it. I do see that stone stuff down there. Could that have been it? Could the footbridge have washed out? Very possible. Because I'm sure this does get high at times. So look at that. Very cool. Oh, down here. Watch I don't fall in these leaves. That may have been it. I don't see any other evidence of a footbridge. Or is this natural? What do you think? You tell me. From that side it didn't look natural. Okay. I don't know. Look at those rocks. The way they're shaped. Yeah, this is too square. This was probably where the footbridge was. Far too square. Look at that picture. Isn't that great? God, ain't Mother Nature wonderful? She's got all this wonderful carpet for me to stand on and slip on. No, we're not going to fall today. No falls allowed. Let's continue on our happy way, see if I can find the path up to that little bitty quarry. Oh, silly me. I was standing right next to the quarry and didn't know it. How about that? Look at this. I'm going to have to stop for a minute. Get the other camera out. Take a few pictures, huh? Whoa. Look at that. How cool is that? This was a tiny little quarry way back over 100 years. Look at that. Very cool. Wow. Talk about a scene from a sci-fi movie. Looky there. I wonder how deep that water is. Like, why? It's like a drowning hazard, man. I wonder how deep that is. It's deep enough to drown. I know that. Look at that. Look at those rocks. Man, oh man. No wonder I didn't see it last time I was here. So tiny, I just like walked right on by it. Look at that. The sound of the water coming down through the rocks, hitting that pond. Here we have a little stairway to nowhere. It had to have tied in with the quarry, and I think there was a sawmill up here at one point, way back. And we have some flat spots, so it went somewhere. Not sure exactly where, or what the purpose was, but it was cool. We're almost up by the spillway by the dam. Or I should say we're close to it, I think. Well, looky here. I think I found the footbridge. Look at that. Is that the footbridge? Or is it just another old dam? You know what? This looks like it's another old dam. Look at that. How did I miss this last time I was here? Whoa! What is that down there? Very cool. I wonder if I could get down there. Oh man, the brush is awful. I'm gonna have to see what I could do. So hold on for a minute. If I get down there, awesome. If I don't, well, you'll have that. Well, I got down here a little bit. I didn't get down all the way, but I'm gonna try to get over there because there's a piece of machinery over there. I'd like to see it. I don't know if you could see it down there. And I'm going to try to get down there. Anyhow, I was not able to do that little quote, dam, reservoir, footbridge, whatever you want to call it. It was like a drop of 6 feet straight down into a mucky swamp from the rain that we had the other day. So maybe next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. This quarry was like really cool. Thank you for coming. Hope to see you soon. Peace, baby.